My heart's pounding, actually. Like, I'm not even joking. My heart's actually starting to pound. Dang, this is real. If I get a sale, you guys should be able to get a sale.
Where's your permit at?
I don't have a permit.
Dude, no, you're supposed to have a permit.
Dude, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, it is.
I'm 17.
You're a 17-year-old punk kid.
What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and I am so excited about this video. Now, if you've watched my past videos, you know that I helped Jack Doherty to purchase a duplex. However, while he was out here in Idaho, I decided that I needed to punk him super hard. Now, I know this is kind of abnormal for my channel. However, you're gonna see that it blends in perfectly once we get into the video. But Jack is known for punking people.
Guys, you better shut off the lights on Walmart. Hi, Mike. Okay, Jack. That's enough, Jack. Oh, stop! Ah! Stop. Don't touch me. Michael, Jack! Michael, stop! Drop it like this is crazy. Stomach hurts. I'm gonna puke so bad.
Maybe you should be drinking beer.
Can't push me like that.
Go to jail?
Officer for
Open container in public.
your mom an open container. It's 0% alcohol. Hey, yo, chill. Yo, it's 0% alcohol.
Doesn't matter. You can't act like that.
He's a little bit of a pot stirrer, you could say. He loves to mess with people. And so I decided that I needed to mess with him. And the way that I would do this was by taking him out to knock doors and sell pest control. Now, selling pest control alone is an incredible way to make money. And if you're interested in the job, you can click the link in my description to apply to come work for us. But one of the reasons it's so fun to film YouTube videos while knocking doors is tons of crazy stuff happens. The only bummer is you can't always tell when the crazy stuff is going to happen. So what I decided to do is I wanted to give Jack literally the craziest, worst, most incredible door-to-door sales experience ever, but we had very limited time. So in order to do this, I reached out to a bunch of my sales reps, and a couple of them actually live close to each other. And so I have a bunch of plants in the neighborhood we're going to knock. Now, we're gonna knock a bunch of random doors as well. However, I have plans for me, for one, to guarantee I get a sale. I'm gonna make it look super easy. Now, usually I can make it look easy anyways. Hopefully that doesn't sound arrogant. But usually I can sell 5 to 6 accounts in a day. However, we've only got 1 hour and I want to guarantee that we get a sell. And my goal is to get Jack absolutely terrified. I wanna see another side of him that you've never seen by having him just absolutely get ripped into. So I know this is fake. I know it's planted. However, Jack is inside my house right now and he has no idea. He thinks I'm filming the intro for one of the other real estate videos we've done, which if you haven't checked them out, make sure that you push the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you can catch all of my other videos where my goal is to help you to build a huge passive income through investing in real estate. Now, with all of that being said, let's go punk Jack. Jack.
Dad, stop. I'm in trouble.
Oh no, what'd you do?
I have to go to court because of something I did like 8 months ago.
Oh no. Were you ready to go knock some doors, sell some pest control?
Yeah, let's go to court one more time.
It's so funny. I was in my intro, I was actually just talking about how you're always getting into trouble. So yeah. Is it worth it?
How ironic is that? That's a coincidence.
When stuff like this happens, do you actually get stressed? I know you don't show it on the camera.
Mainly because my dad's so chill about it. My dad said that I'm not gonna get arrested or booked or anything like that. So it's just like I'm getting summoned or something, so I had to like pay a fine, but.
Nice. Well, you stir up a lot of trouble. Are you ready to stir up some trouble and knock some doors and sell some pest control?
Yes, give me that pest control, I'll squirt it all over you.
You are gonna be wearing our company brand, so do everything you can to not get people upset. We're gonna be super nice, super respectful. The reality is this is a big multi-million-dollar company. We've got permission to put our name of the company while we do this. I personally know the CEO, so we've got to be careful and make sure that we're respectful to people, that we're obeying the laws, that we get the proper permits. I know these are all things that maybe you're a little new to.
Don't do what I would normally do.
Exactly.
Be more like Chandler.
Exactly. Yeah, we're gonna show people how to knock doors. And what's so cool about this job is every door we sell, that's literally somewhere between $150 and $250 that you make. So if anybody out there is interested in applying to work for us, we don't take everyone. I'm not even sure if we'd hire Jack here. However, those that we do hire are the best of the best. We give the best training in the world. Usually we train for weeks. We're gonna train you for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna cut you loose.
Jesus, but guys, I honestly do recommend this because he's been telling me stories about people that work for him. And let me tell you, they are making bags, boys. Like, they are making really good money. So definitely go check it out. I think it's worth it, and it seems pretty easy to do.
let's go knock some doors and sell some pest control. All right, we're about to go film the next video, but our timing was perfect because the Ferrari just showed up.
You know the Strat man?
Yeah, I bought this car from him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We dropped off his Bugatti to him.
That's awesome.
We've got the same kind of setup going. I saw the purple, Corvette. Shoot, that's a C8, yeah.
We actually bought the Corvette from him and the Ferrari from him, so.
Yeah, I can get it unstrapped and unload it for you.
Okay, let's do it.
I thought it was matte black, and when I do my inspection, I picked it up at night, so I had to turn my flashlight on. And when the light hits it, it's cool.
Jack, what do you think?
I'm excited to see what it looks like in the sun.
Me too, man. It is gonna pop in this Idaho sun out here. Oh, wow. Wow, does that thing pop, man. Look at the coloring on that. If you see though, come over to this other side and put the sun behind the car and it is completely black. All right, Mads, tell me what you think.
Looks completely black right now. Oh my god. Wow, that is unreal.
Is that so cool? All right, guys, Ferrari just got here. This is gonna be my first time ever knocking doors rolling up in a Ferrari. Do you think they'll still buy?
I think so.
All right. All right, we are on our way to knock some doors and we're taking the Ferrari.
Oh shoot! Oh my god! This thing puts a smile on my face.
It is. We're rolling up in the Ferrari, however, you don't know how to sell pest control yet. So in like 2 minutes, we're gonna teach you everything you need to know. So just so you know, when we train our sales reps, we train them for months before they go out. A couple hours a month, we help them get their pitch memorized. We work on their body language, so all their nonverbal, paraverbal communication skills. We turn them into super salesmen, and we're gonna cram that 3 months of training into a couple minutes so that you're ready to knock some doors.
Sounds good. Wish me luck, everybody.
So just know if you come out to knock with us, you can apply down below. You just go to www.elitesummersales.com and you're gonna get much better training than this. Our sales organization is the best in the world when it comes to training, and we're gonna get you ready so that you actually know what you're doing before you sell pest control. With Jack though, he's pretty confident, so we're just gonna throw him right into the fire.
Drop a like, boys. Go cop that pest control.
There are a couple things you need to remember. Smile, head nod, and slow down. Anytime you run into issues, you're gonna wanna speed up, you're gonna wanna talk fast, you're gonna wanna move all over. Just smile, head nod, slow down, and your goal is to get them to smile and head nod and agree with you as much as possible. And close. The best close is you're gonna be here tomorrow.
What do you mean you're gonna be here tomorrow? Who's gonna be here tomorrow?
You ask them. You just finished telling them pest control. You're gonna say, oh, you're gonna be here tomorrow? And they're gonna say yes. And then you're gonna say, perfect, morning or afternoon? And they're gonna say morning, and you're gonna say, great, what's your name? And you're gonna sign them up for pest control. They're gonna say no a lot. Say, do you wanna buy pest control?
Do you want to buy pest control?
No, I don't wanna buy pest control.
Ah, it's okay. I'll go try another house.
No, you don't do that.
So not like that. Okay.
That's when you're going to say sure. You're going to resolve their concern, throw in an ace, and close again.
Or so like knock them out, take the money out of their pocket, and then run.
Not quite.
Ah, okay.
Add value to the service with your ace, and then do another close. Your other option close could be, well, is today or tomorrow better for you?
First thing I say is, are you gonna be here tomorrow?
No, that's at the end. We gotta teach you all the other stuff.
Okay, so what's the first thing I say?
You're gonna say, hey, my name's Jack. I'm with Aptiv. If I can get you in with the neighbors while we're here, we're doing it for more than 50% off.
Cyber Monday.
Ayo.
I can do that. Dang, I'm nervous.
Then you're gonna tell them the price. It's usually $230 for the first visit. And then we do 4 services of $139. However, if they get on it today, that first service, it's only 99 bucks.
Ooh, just like the course. Go cop the course.
Let's see what you remember. Knock on the door. What do you say?
Fudge, do you want pest control? Oh, hi, I'm Jack with, forgot the company already.
Hey, my name's Jack. I'm with Aptiv. It's pest control.
Aptiv Pest Control.
I'm taking care of your neighbors.
I should say I just took care of your neighbors. So
Okay.
they know I
That's
did.
a little dishonest. I don't know that
Hey.
that's gonna pay off for you.
That'd be
I didn't
so awkward.
teach that thing.
This is my mentality. I'm trying to be quick, efficient, and sell. Get a bag real quick.
And then if you get that long without them cutting you off and slamming the door, maybe I'll jump in and help.
Okay, yeah, I might need your help. I might just pass out. When I pass out, that means, yo, come in, help me, man. We'll figure it out. That's funny.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah. My heart's pounding, actually. Like, I'm not even joking. My heart's actually starting to pound. Like, dang, this is real. I'm about to do it.
This is the app. If you get to this point, I'm gonna jump in and help you do it so that you can do it, right?
We're doing this legit. Like, we're actually making sales right now.
Yeah, we're gonna.
I'm hired.
I am gonna push hard to try and get a sale so that you can see what it looks like.
If I get a sale, you guys should be able to get a sale. If I can do it, you can do it.
We'll see how he does. We have not trained him well.
Not at all.
So I'm gonna hit 3 or 4 doors. I'm thinking I should be able to pull off a sale in that time. If not, I might do a couple more. After that, we will give you a shot and we'll give you 2, 3, 4 doors. If you haven't cried by then, it's not gonna be that bad. But we'll see. If you get comfortable and you wanna do it, we'll try and get it to where you can get a sale. If not, we'll see where we end up.
So Jack doesn't know this. This house that they're knocking is actually just a random person, but then next door to that is my parents, and my brother-in-law's there, and he's gonna throw Chandler a lob so that Chandman can get an easy sale.
Hey, how are you? Good. It's cold out. Good, it's chilly. Well, my name's Chandler. I'm with Active. It's pest control. Okay. I'm actually taking care of a couple of your neighbors. I don't know if you know Pam right over here. If I can get you in, we're knocking off $130 doing the entire service for just 99 bucks. Okay. Are you gonna be around tomorrow? I've got a 2 o'clock. Does that sound good? That sounds good. Perfect. What was your name? All right, Jack. Do you remember your pitch? Let's practice it once.
All right, so hi, I'm Jack with Active.
It's pest control.
It's pest control, and we just close with your neighbors, right? I'm taking care of Kellyanne and about 10 other of your neighbors.
And then just wing it. We'll see what happens.
How much is it originally? Hello, how are you?
Hey, good, how are you?
Good, so hi, I'm Jack and I'm working with Active and we are a pest control company. We actually just took care of one of your neighbors, Kellyanne, and about a couple other of your neighbors, and we're doing a deal, so it's normally $250 for like your first service, but we're doing it for $99 since we're taking care of your neighbors. So,
Okay, that sounds good.
so can we get you signed up? Get your name?
You know, I probably should ask my husband.
I'm sure your husband would say yes.
Well, he's the one that handles all the finances, but pest control?
Pest control for what?
For the bugs.
What company are you guys with?
Active.
Where's Active?
Right here.
So we're over on Holmes. That's where our office is at.
Okay. Yeah. You said you're taking care of who?
Kellyanne and a couple other neighbors.
Where at?
Kellyanne lives right down there, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, just right at the end of the street here.
Oh, that's not Kellyanne.
Oh well, there's Kellyanne right around here. Just
Where at? Do you guys have it? Like, where's her?
We don't have it on here, but we've been taking care of her for a while. You've probably seen the truck. It's got a big Active on the side.
No, I've never heard of you guys. That's why, like, where's your guys' trucks? Like, what'd you guys come in?
Well, we're just coming here to knock doors and set up the appointments. We're actually taking care of her tomorrow.
I mean, you guys, dude, you're looking super fishy in, like, what you're wearing and stuff. Like,
I'm training. He's trying to teach me.
I mean, this is super sketchy. Like, I don't even get, like, you don't have logos. Like,
Here we
you guys
go.
had your solicitor's permit or anything. Like, I don't even know.
We don't need a solicitor permit for this area.
Yeah, you actually do. So I expect to see that if you're not going to carry it. Do you have
sir,
yours? Where's
No.
yours at?
No, it's okay. You can just have a good day.
Where's yours at?
We don't need permits for this
You
area.
do, and I'm going to call the cops if you don't prove
Okay.
it.
No, go ahead. Call the cops. That's fine.
You're just going to put your stupid camera out here and show it to everybody?
No, we're just recording for some training stuff. But really, no, have a good day. We can head
Where's
back.
your permit at?
I don't have a permit.
Dude, no, you're supposed to have a permit.
Dude, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, it is.
Why is you so pressed about a permit?
No, because if you don't have a permit, this is a huge deal. If you don't
Why?
have a permit.
It's pest control.
No, you don't understand. It's not just pest control. Do you know how many robberies take place in this area?
Why would we rob
have
you?
so
I'm
many issues. What
17.
if you guys are trying to steal our
I'm
stuff?
17.
You're a 17-year-old punk kid. What are you doing?
No, I'm not.
Listen, dude, you don't even understand. Like,
Why are you?
we've got kids in the house. Like,
Yeah, you're acting like a
care of
freaking
crap.
animal, man.
No, I'm not an
No,
animal.
we're
What are you
going.
guys
We're
freaking doing?
we're gonna leave.
Yeah, I
You
would
seriously.
leave, but I'm gonna call the cops.
Hey, Gare, let's.
guys come in this?
Where is Kellyanne live? Kellyanne
license
is.
plate.
Kellyanne's
How do you
house
even
is.
afford that Ferrari?
Kellyanne's house is right there. Kellyanne's house is right there. You're gonna
That's
chill
not
out.
Kellyanne's.
You're gonna go. It is. You're gonna go inside.
I don't think he's gonna buy. Like,
It is. You're gonna go inside.
This guy, if he buys, you have to buy too. This house right next door.
Is someone home?
Dude, I will guarantee you he couldn't sell him.
why does it matter? Why do you care?
Go try. I'll watch.
I don't care.
But you need to go inside and chill out. I'm not gonna have here being a freaking animal. You can go inside
Well, I
and
can't
chill.
believe you care this much. It blows my mind.
Dude, that is insane. I'm sorry. I didn't think.
No, that's great. That's great, honestly. There's no way this is actually is this real life? I'm so sorry. This has to be set up.
We're selling pest control. Jack, do you want to take this one?
Honestly, is this a joke?
Yeah.
What? This is a joke? There's no way. Bro, no way. Oh my God, I was like, yo, there's no way this is real. Oh my God, I was like, dude, no way this is actually happening.
You were supposed to come to his house first. That's why Garrett was telling you here, but I'm like, let's just see what happens. He was supposed to just say no.
I think this worked out way better. Like, this just worked out way better. That was great. Oh my God. And she was like she was too happy about the fact that I was like,
So did it work? I was worried it was too planned, but did we get
no,
you?
that was great. I was like, this is great. Like, no way he actually cares. What?
The sale Chandler got is my brother-in-law.
Oh my God. That was great. I'm not gonna lie. I pulled out my phone as soon as he started. I was like, I'm filming this. Like, this is great.
It actually, this is Jeff. We told him to come in a Speedo.
Too happy to be in a Speedo right now. No way. I can't believe this just happened. This was great.
People literally,
The same thing happened to me.
we've all had that happen. They'll follow you with their phones. They'll like call the cops. They're taking pictures of your car. They're getting in your face. It's not a regular occurrence, but people are just nuts sometimes. On a scale of like 1 to stressed compared to other videos you've done, where did you fall when he was in your face?
Oh, I was like, yo, this is great. Like, this couldn't work out better. Like, this is amazing. No, I was happy. Like, this is the reaction I like to get. But I was like, selling to her and the person we sold before, like, it was way too easy to sell to. And I was like,
You got him so good, man. That was just too good. All right, guys, we had to punk Jack. Seriously, though, did we get you? Were you on to us at all?
I was like, yo, I pulled out my phone and I was like, this man's about to attack you for filming. I'm like, I'm gonna get this on video. And then I came here, I was like, bro, no way. This is too good to be true.
We have a little surprise. I know you're thinking about wrapping your Tesla, but I wanted to show you this one. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. All my videos aren't this way, but this one we had to get Jack. This is actually Jeff, the guy in the Speedo. This is his Tesla, and it's got a rainbow wrap on it. You got to see it in the light. But maybe for the last little clip here, we'll have him giving you a ride in his Speedo in his rainbow Tesla. Sound good?
Let me go get my camera.
Jeff, thanks for your Speedo. I'm sure my fans will appreciate that. No, that's just weird.
That. Oh my God.
Look at the
Bro, that
pop
is
on
insane.
Well, we got Jack good. Guys, thank you so much. Garrett, Coulter, Jeff. All of these guys have come. I know today was fake, just in all honesty, but then Josh isn't here. He's actually Garrett's brother-in-law. He worked for us. All these guys have. Door-to-door sales has changed all of our life and given us huge opportunities. So if you want to apply, you can apply below because it is a legit job. I'll also put the link up here so you can go check out real life door-to-door sales. But Jack, after your first door-to-door experience, how do you feel?
Definitely scarred me. But hey, you got the job done.
Well, thank you so much to the crew. And guys, again, if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and we're gonna go for a spin in these cars. All right, we'll see you guys.